Ever notice how a damaged or loose side mirror can instantly shake your confidence behind the wheel? Clear rear visibility isn't just a convenience, it's a critical safety feature. The Depo replacement passenger side door mirror offers a straightforward fix that restores your view without breaking the bank. If you want a dependable, solidly fitting mirror that gets the job done, this is worth a look. I've seen plenty of drivers struggle with cracked or corroded factory mirrors, especially on models like the Jeep Wrangler. That's where this Depo mirror stands out. It's built tough, engineered to hold its position steady even at highway speeds. What really impressed me is how simple the installation is. Many users report swapping out their old mirror in no time, using just basic tools, saving both time and money on repairs. It's a practical solution that gets your vehicle back on the road quickly and safely. The mirror arrives well packaged, measuring about 654 centimeters long, 592 centimeters wide, and 002 cm tall, with a weight just over 4 pounds. That means you get a sturdy, reliable product without unnecessary bulk. Made in Taiwan by Depo, a trusted aftermarket supplier, this mirror meets consistent quality standards. It's not an original equipment manufacturer part, but it performs just as well for a fraction of the price. Real-world feedback confirms long-term satisfaction. Many customers buy both passenger and driver side mirrors after seeing how well the first one works. It's a smart choice if you want a replacement that balances cost, durability, and ease of installation. If that's you, check the product link in the video description to see current availability and pricing. When you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's safety and restore clear rear visibility, the Depo passenger side door mirror offers a reliable, affordable solution. Try it and experience the difference for yourself.